Welcome to FishVue Fleet, your all-in-one solution for monitoring and managing your vessel's activity. In this short training video, we'll guide you through the key features of Fleet, including how to set up your account and how to make the most of this powerful web application. Let's get started. Once you have signed up for a data subscription for your electronic monitoring system, you will be invited to sign up for Fleet. Fleet is included with your data subscription for no cost and allows you to log in from any web browser and see details about the location and activity on your vessel, as well as ensuring your electronic monitoring system is transmitting data. Your invitation will show up in your email inbox and will be sent to the address you use for your data subscription. When you open your email, you will see a message in your inbox like the one on the screen. There is a link included in the email. Click on that link to start setting up your Fleet account. This link will take you to a web page to set up a password for Fleet. It is important to note that for security reasons, you should not use the same password you used to register your EM unit for your data subscription. This is because on some occasions, you may provide a vessel captain or crew members access to Fleet in order to check on the vessel. After you have entered and confirmed your new password, you will be taken directly to the login page to access your vessel in Fleet. Enter your email address and password and hit continue. Fleet will launch immediately and take you to the location of your vessel on the screen. Now that you are logged in, let's take a look at the various features of Fleet. In the top right, you have the ability to select different background maps for your view. Some maps allow you to zoom in further than others, so feel free to experiment with them to find one you prefer. In the top left corner, you have the date range for the data you want to view from your vessel. As well, you have an activity heat map toggle that you can use to show areas of high activity based on the data delivered by your vessel. Once you begin to accumulate more data from your vessel, this will be helpful to see patterns in your vessel activity. In the bottom right corner is the legend that describes what you are seeing on the screen relating to your vessel's reporting status, as well as the speed of the vessel along its track. If you are simply looking to understand if your vessel is transmitting data, look at the color of the pinpoint directly beneath your vessel name. If it is outlined in black, you are transmitting data and your EM unit is working as expected. If your pinpoint is outlined in red, there is some kind of issue and no data is being transmitted. Please contact us through our technical support email address shown on the screen. Now that you understand the layout of the screen, you can begin to explore your vessel's data. The easiest way to start is to select a date range in the top left corner and click Apply. Fleet will then map out that date range on the screen. On your vessel's track, you can click on any of the white points to see what data has been transmitted at that particular moment. You will see the date of the data collection, the GPS coordinates, as well as the vessel speed. We will be continuing to add new features to Fleet, so check back often to see what is new. If you need further assistance on using Fleet, please reach out to the email address on the screen. We hope this video has been helpful and you continue to use Fleet to monitor your vessel's activity. Thank you, and good luck with your new EM system.